A very good morning to all. Today we are moving on to the next chapter, the last chapter, and the name of the chapter is Our Environment. Starting with environment. So what is an environment? The surroundings of a living thing make up its environment. That is, the sum total of all living things make up its environment. So the environment, it consists of both living and non-living components. So that is, we can say it consists of both biotic as well as abiotic components. So biotic component means living component. That is, it includes plants, animals, microorganisms and other living parts of the environment. And abiotic component means all living things, that is air, water, soil, all these are abiotic component. So an environment, it includes both biotic as well as abiotic components, which means it includes both living as well as non-living components. The next is interdependency in environment. So many kinds of living things live in the same region, right? So we can see many different kinds of living things around us. And all these living things depend on each other. For example, rabbits and squirrels. So they are herbivores and they depend on plants for their food, right? And the animals like eagles and fox. So they depend on rabbits and squirrel for their food. So all living things are dependent on each other. For their food, in order to live, they are dependent on each other. The living things also depend on their environment for their food, for air, for shelter, etc. So we can conclude that all living things depend on each other. The next is about ecology. So what is the meaning of ecology? The scientific study of relationships of living things with each other and everything else in their environment. That is called as ecology. So what is ecology? Ecology means it is the study of relationship of living things with each other and with the environment. For example, if you are studying about the relationships the animals living in a grassland have with each other, that is with plants, with human beings and with the soil, rainfall and temperature in the region, then you are studying about the ecology of the grassland. So ecology means it is the study of relationships of living things with each other and everything else in the environment. So we know that the environment, it includes both living as well as non-living components. And ecology means it is the study of relationships of living things with each other and everything in the environment. So that is called as the ecology. So in this class, we discussed about environment. So environment, it includes both living as well as non-living components. Then we know that all living things depend on each other. And then we discussed about ecology. So I hope this class was clear to you. We'll meet in the next class and we'll discuss the next topic. Till then, thank you.